Obviously, vertebrates need to close their jaws in eating, and closing the jaw is more difficult than opening, given that closing often involves fighting against resistance, that thing that you're trying to eat. Mammals, in order to get more nutrients from their diet, in order to sustain their higher metabolisms and larger brains, then began to chew their food while in their mouth to get added nutrients. The masseter muscle, whose origin is on the zygomatic arch and the zygomatic bone, and whose insertion is on the lower jaw, the mandible at the angle and the ramus of the mandible. This is the prime mover for closing the jaw. The temporalis muscle originates in the temporal fossa region of the cranium. It inserts onto the mandible on the coronoid process, and it closes the jaw and retracts the mandible. Finally, there are two muscles which are difficult to see. They are originating primarily on the sphenoid bone, on the pterygoid processes. They are called the medial and lateral pterygoid muscles, and they insert onto the medial surface of the mandible, and their contraction helps to move the lower jaw side to side in chewing. These are the muscles of mastication, which we use to chew our food.